Install handpiece holder with screwdriver. Place handpiece in holder gently, avoid collision. Install handpiece connector. Press both buttons at the same time to remove the handle. Insert tube to vent. Insert funnel tube to intake. Add distilled water till water overflow from vent. Press the metal buckle, disconnect the tubes. Choose skin tone according to client's skin. Adjust the energy and frequency from the minimum value to the energy value acceptable to the customer. Apply the gel to the treatment area. Then place the handle on the treatment site and move it back and forth quickly to avoid burns. You can also adjust the energy directly on the handle. Tap the screen to select gender and body. Choose skin tone according to client. Adjust the energy and frequency from the minimum value to the energy value acceptable.